Telling the time in English. Practice using an analog clock. You will see 20 analog clocks. Your job is to say the time. If you need time to think, pause the video. I will say the times using both of these methods. Are you ready? What time is it? It's 2:15. Or you could say, it's 2:15. What time is it? It's 4:30. Or it's 4:30. What time is it? It's 8:25. Or it's 25 past 8. What time is it? It's 11:50. Or it's 10 to 12. What time is it? It's 2:05. Or it's 5 past 2. What time is it? It's 3:20. Or it's 20 past 3. What time is it? It's 6:45. Or it's 6:45. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. That is the only way to say that time. What time is it? It's 12:15. Or it's 12:15. What time is it? It's 5:35. Or it's 25 to 6. What time is it? It's 7:50. Or it's 10 to 8. What time is it? It's 10:05. Or it's 5 past 10. What time is it? It's 1:20. Or it's 20 past 1. What time is it? It's 3:45. Or it's 3:45. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? It's 9:25. Or it's 25 past 9. What time is it? It's 11:40. Or it's 20 to 12. What time is it? It's 2:55. Or it's 5 to 3. What time is it? It's 4:10. Or it's 10 past 4. What time is it? It's 7:35. Or it's 25 to 8. How did you do? If you did well, congratulations. If it was difficult, you can review the other videos that I made. For more practice, there is a video to practice telling time using a digital clock. There are links to the other videos in the video description. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.